Hey y'all, what's up? It's me, Vilay, and today I'm going to be showing you my everyday makeup routine. So I'm going to be taking Benefit's Brow Zig and using the wax, which is the left color, and putting that, or actually outlining it on my eyebrow. You know, gotta shape it out, gotta get the right angle, at 90 degrees. And then I'm going to be taking the powder and using that to fill in my brows. I'm going to be using an eyebrow brush, and I'm going to brush out my eyebrows because I do not want to look like a caveman. Just brush them out, wiggle it through. Now using NYX's Angel Veil, I'm going to be using that to prime my entire face. I'm just going to rub it in up there, then down there, just keep on rubbing it in. Now using my eyelash curler, I'm going to be curling my eyelashes. This is my favorite part and the most hurtful. So I'm going to be just curling them. And I really, like curling my lashes because that's my staple look. And you kind of just do it on the bottom, then the middle, then the top. And you work your way up, and that's how you get a nice curled effect. Now I'm going to be using my eyebrow brush and just brushing out my eyelashes just so they're not clumpy. Using the Falsies Big Eyes by Maybelline, which is my favorite mascara, I'm going to be using the top part and just mascaraing my top part of my lashes. Yeah, you can tell I'm such a beauty guru. Yeah, so I really get into my eyelashes. I make sure that they're super curled. I get a tissue next and I fix what went wrong. Then I use the bottom part of the mascara and I just mascara my bottom lashes. And I ensure that those are long as well. Usually after I do that, I end up looking like Billy Joel from Green Day. And I think his name's Billy Joel. I hope so. Anyways, I know his name's Billy. I take another napkin and I just wipe down the bottom. Here's me modeling, doing my little smiling cute thing. Ooh, go me. Now I take the eyelash curler and I curl my eyelashes once more, just to ensure that my lashes are super long. And I take the eyebrow brush and I brush it out again so it's not clumpy. Basically the whole thing repeats. And then I'm going to be taking the Falsies Angel Push-Up and using that for my top and bottom lashes. I just, lash it out, I apply it until my lashes get extra long. Wow, look at that precision and that dedication and that focus. Now I'm going to be taking a brush and using NYX's HD foundation powder, and I'm just going to be using that to apply all over my face. It's just a translucent powder that kind of mattifies my face because I am one oily girl. There I go, brush there, brush over here, brush everywhere. Now here's the finished product. Here is a little close-up of my eyeballs, and my eyelashes, and my eyebrows, and my skin. Just in case you wanted to see me smile, here's my smile. Oh, there I go. Whoa. Alright, bye guys, love you.